Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll discuss about Polygon and its native token MATIC, and in the last 2 or 3 minutes of this clip I will discuss also about Bitcoin, because as you well know, Bitcoin has an influence on all crypto space. If you guys like the content, make sure to subscribe. It helps a lot this channel to grow, and it helps in YouTube algorithm. Give this video a thumbs up and you can leave a comment into the comment section down below. Okay, so let's get started. Today it is 18 April 2024, and right now MATIC it is at about 0.67 US dollars. The market cap it is around 6.64 billion US dollars, and the volume in the last 24 hours it is around 313.6 million US dollars. It had an all-time high in 2021 on 27 December. It was $2.92. And let's go to trading view. We have MATIC paired with US dollar at 1 day. In the chart it is from Binance. I also made a few months ago a video about what is Polygon, and at the beginning of this video I provide a definition of Polygon MATIC. You will find to the link down below. Sorry about my English, it is not my native language, and back then it was in first weeks of my channel. I was not so accurate in my words, and I am truly sorry about that. And let's go with this chart. We have here an increase in price since October, since Bitcoin started to pump, and I'll put Bitcoin USD chart here, and I will show you what I'm talking about. And as you can see, from October Bitcoin start to increase impressively, and we will measure MATIC from a lower level at this point here on 13 October 2023 to this top on 14 March 2024. 158% in 153 days. That is very impressive in such a short period of time to have such an increase. And I put here the 20 and 300 simple moving average on daily, and as you can see, the price, the actual price, it is below those two levels. If I'll put the 200 daily moving average, you will see that right now it is forming a dead cross between 20 and 200. 20 SMA intersects the 200 SMA from above, and that's bad news, because I believe this will tell us that the price will go even more downwards, but we don't know this 100%. This is usually happening, but we will wait and see what will happen. And I'll put again the 300 daily moving average, and as you can see here, it's starting to become a resistance since a few days ago. On 12 April it was a support, and on 13 April, next day, it becomes a resistance, and right now the price it is at a lower level. Actual price is 0.67, and 300 SMA it is 0.76. Let's put the other indicators, stochastic RSI and RSI, I prepared here. They are both bearish. Stochastic RSI it's in downtrend, and RSI it is also in downtrend. Let's go on weekly and see what's the situation there. And on weekly we are with stochastic RSI and RSI, both are bearish. Stochastic RSI it is in oversold area, and I'll put the 20 simple moving average on weekly, and as I told you in the previous video, I personally consider this indicator 20 SMA weekly an important indicator that tells us if the price it is bullish or bearish. We had it as a support a few times in October, and also here in January, and in February also 2024. We have a bounce from this level, but right now the actual price it is well below the 20 SMA, so the price movement it is clearly bearish. Since 11 March it is in downtrend. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 6th week of being in downtrend, so we have only red candles. As you can see here more clearly on weekly, the volatility was pretty high. We have ups and downs, ups and downs. We have this minimum level. For example, I'll take a measurement from this 13 June 2022 till this stop on 13 February 2023, it had an increase of almost 400% in 245 days. So big volatility here on this token, and as you can see here, we have a new level that we have before. The maximum was around 0.04, and right now after this big pump we have a level that is somewhere, this was the minimum level I believe in 13 June 2022, it was 0.31. So it is around 0.31 till almost 1.54. So this is clearly another level from this one, and we can have a measurement from this big pump. We have 45,000% in 658 days. That is massive, very impressive. And we have here some sort of a bull flag that I believe it is more visible if I put it, for example, on 12 months. Clearly it is a bull flag. This is the support, and this is the actual flag. And let's go to monthly and see other details here about this chart. We have this bull flag, as I told you by now, and stochastic RSI and RSI, they are both bearish. Stochastic RSI was bullish a couple of months ago, and it has an intersection of those two moving averages, and the trend starts to become downwards. Okay, that's the situation here. Let's go back to weekly and see what's the performance of MATIC against Bitcoin. And I'll choose this chart here from Bybit, and as you can see, since February 2023, it is against Bitcoin, MATIC, it is in downtrend. And MATIC against Bitcoin, we have here a smaller level that was on 13 June 2022, and this top that was on 14 November 2022. And let's measure those two, and we have an increase of 282% in 154 days. That is very impressive. After 13 February 2023, the trend it is downwards, and if I'll put the 20 weekly simple moving average, you can see very clearly here that the actual level it is way lower than the 20 weekly SMA. Another important aspect that I almost forgot to tell you, and you can see it also on my previous video, I turned back to MATIC against USD at 1 month, and the chart it is from Binance, and as you can see here from monthly, it is forming some sort of a triangle, and if I put those lines like that, also taking into consideration the wicks, we have this triangle. We have movements ups, downs, ups, downs, ups, downs, and this tip of the triangle becomes, of course, more and more smaller, and the price should break this level, and I believe from a symmetrical triangle, the price breaking it will be upwards. That is my personal opinion. I don't think that the price will go downwards, especially because we are very close to the Bitcoin halving, and a lot of money are pumped in the crypto space. The general news are positive. I believe for now it will be okay, and we can measure the recent correction from MATIC. It will be about, let's see, almost 53%. So it is pretty big correction if you ask me. It can be bigger, but also more than 50%, I believe it is a big correction if you ask me. Let's go to Bitcoin, as I promised you at the beginning of this video. Right now Bitcoin it is at 62.8k. This is a big volatility on the last days. The price moves ups and downs from about 60.7 up to 63, a little more than 63k, and we have those movements ups and downs, but the general trend, if you look on the chart, it is downwards. So Bitcoin here right now it has a correction. We have just 1 day till Bitcoin's halving, so general news on the market are positive. everything looks good despite the fact that Bitcoin it is in a correction. We have fear and greed index at 55. It is neutral right now. Last days it was on greed, it was on this green area, and Bitcoin dominance it is 54.2%, an increase over the last days when it was below 54%. Okay, that's it for today, guys. What do you think about Polygon? Do you have in your portfolio? Do you believe in this token? Leave some comments into the comment section down below and tell me your thoughts about Matic. Also, you can tell me your thoughts about having halving theoretically tomorrow. You are excited about this? You are a holder of Bitcoin. Did you sold your Satoshis or Bitcoins on this recent top that we had at 73k? Leave some comments below and tell me about this. Thank you guys for joining me here today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and till next time, be well and see you soon.